Well, today I'm going to speak on this important subject, risk management and systems thinking. I want us to recollect that in 2004, COSO, the Committee of Sponsoring Organization of the Treasury Commission, provided a very robust definition of enterprise risk management. So since then, risk professionals and practitioners have been taking a very hard look at risk management from an enterprise point of view. So something really suggests that there must be a very, very close relationship between this enterprise risk management approach to managing risk, and then, of course, the issue of systems thinking. So in this presentation, I'm going to establish that correlation and to say very clearly that risk management and systems thinking need to work hand in hand, and we cannot really separate one from the other. Now, so what exactly is systems thinking, and how does it actually relate to risk management? Well, in this particular schematic, you see that the risk management process is a continuous process. It is a continuum, and you can apply this particular framework or process, to every risk area. And of course, you can also take it from an enterprise point of view. So from the point of identifying the risk to treating the risk and monitoring and reviewing both the way the risk management is working within the organization is actually it's a cycle. So it's like a loop, as it were. So now, what is very important is that we can apply systems thinking to the way we manage risk, and that is very, very important. So what exactly is a systems thinking, and what is a systems approach to managing any risk? Well, we can say that systems thinking is the ability or skill to solve problems in a complex system. That is what systems thinking is all about. It focuses on understanding the way subsystems and resources of a system are interrelated, and of course identify all of the interdependencies of the subsystems within the context of the organization. And the systems thinking provides some clarity, providing big picture approach to understanding all of the organization's processes and systems. So basically, a system is the totality of its parts. It's the addition, the totality of its parts. However, we want to state very clearly that multiple systems within an enterprise may depend on each other. So it boils down to this, that even if all systems are analyzed independently to be able to establish the risk impact and risk probability, the analysis of all systems combined in terms of risk aggregation may indicate very clearly, a different risk impact and risk likelihood of the organization due to the what we refer to as the interdependency of systems. So a system receives input and sends out output to the organization, and of course, as a result, risk can be propagated in the business environment, causing unexpected and undesired systemic impact. Essentially, the system consists of processes that transform inputs into outputs and interact with other systems. So we need to, as risk professionals, to begin to apply systems approach, systems thinking, approach to managing risk. If in that way, it will help us to consider the entirety or the totality of the enterprise while also implementing a risk management. So I want to argue very strongly that the two are not separable. Systems thinking, enterprise risk management, they are just one and the same thing. We need to now apply more effectively systems thinking approach to managing risk. That way we are able to take into account risk correlations and risk interdependencies. That's the way to go. And if we apply this very thoroughly and robustly, we will achieve better results. Thank you very much for listening. And please let us now continue to apply systems thinking approach to managing risk in our respective organizations.